Welcome, baby, to another episode of Cooking Like a King. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share, of course. Yes, we're doing that wrap with love shrimp. Oh, yeah, look at that. It looks so good. Woo, mouth water, baby. So, while y'all watch this, I'm going to eat. All right, now, to start off, I use jalapeno bacon. You can use whatever kind of bacon you want. We're going to have that butterfly shrimp, the white cheddar cheese, jalapenos, some barbecue sauce, and some Thai chili sauce. Oh, wait till you get that together. Woo. But to start it off, we're going to go ahead and get this cheese sliced up. You hear me? So you're going to get that cheese. It is cheese. I tested to make sure. And then you want to cut it up in small slices, pretty much julienne style for the most part. And you want to do the same thing with the jalapeno. Don't need the seeds. You can clear it out. So go ahead and get all that out of there, yeah. Normally I would do this over the sink, but yeah, I just got seeds everywhere. I was trying to show y'all on camera. I didn't want the camera to fall in. Knowing my luck, it would have fell in. So even with a stand, I didn't want to chance it. So there we go. So this does nothing for my culinary skills. I mean, I wish. I remember back in the day. Oh yeah, look at that. Anyway, so this is how you want your shrimp to look for the most part. So what we're going to do is you're going to start from the top, or would have been under the neck after the head is gone. And you want to work your way down, taking off the sections, and you want to get down to the last part right there. You want to keep that. That's what's going to stick outside of the bacon wrap. That's your handle in a sense. In order to devein it, or like we say, get the shit out of there, you want to cut down the back. Cut down the center, and you'll be able to see that line, that black vein line, and all that white meat. I promise you, it'll stand out. There's a joke there, but I'm going to leave it alone. So you want to get all that out of there. And again, for those, the slow ones in the back, you start from that top, and you work a ring at a time, one ring at a time. Wah, wah, wah. I don't know what that was. Don't ask. But once you do that, again, be careful. Do not cut yourself. It is tender. If you got a sharp knife, you could cut all the way through, but you want to just cut down the back again and get that poop out of that back. Yeah. All right. And again, under the sink, that's where you won't have shit on your hands. There we go. All right, baby. Now, this is what your shrimp is going to look like. This is what we're trying to do. So get your bacon ready. Get your shrimp. You want to take the opening and put that cheese in there and the jalapeno. Again, there's a joke, but I'm going to leave it alone. Take a little bit, go up top and wrap the rest towards the bottom, and then work your way back to the top, across the middle, and there you go. You didn't get that? Let me show you again. Bacon ready. Shrimp on the back. Cheese jalapeno, little at the bottom, little at the top, wrap towards the bottom, come back up towards the top, across the middle, and there you go. One more time for the slow ones in the back, yeah. Then shrimp and cheese and the jalapeno, baby, please, the back the bacon, baby. I don't even know why I'm starting so crazy. Ooh, I'm crazy. Anyway, did you get it? Even if it's ugly, it doesn't matter. Make sure the doggone shrimp and cheese up in there. All right. Moving on. Now, in your little saucepan or pot, whatever you want to call it, get your cheese melted, add your sauces, that barbecue and that Thai chili sauce. And you want to stir that, mix that, put the temperature, I'd say probably like a good medium, so you get a little soft rolling ball. Oh my God, it looks so pretty. Oh, it's coming together. Woo! And now, with your shrimp, you can put some toothpicks to make sure that bacon don't come off of them, but you want to go ahead and throw that in your skillet. I used cast iron, and you want to look at that. But when you use that cast iron, it just helps with the bacon, running the bacon fat off of the bacon grease off. But flip it, then baste it, then flip it, then coat it until it's yummy looking. And then you can try to look all professional and mess up like I did right here, trying to play it. I was trying to do something for y'all and messed up. So, there we go. Much better. Oh, throw that sauce on that baby. Ooh, Boy, that shit looks so good, yeah. And of course, you got to get that in close up look. Taste test. Yep. See, that was the jalapeno and then the cheese. Woo! Tickle up my spine, baby. All right. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, come back, see me again. The happy dance. You know, it was good. Bon appetit. Au revoir.